Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow performance and system lag on iPhone. In simple and easy steps. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button plus volume up button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clears temporary system glitch. Step 2. Check storage space. Now open settings, then general, then iPhone storage. If storage is almost full, delete unused apps, photos or videos. Low storage can slow down performance. Step 3. Close background apps. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause, then close apps you are not using by swiping them away. Too many apps running can cause lag. Step 4. Turn off background app refresh. Now go to settings, then general, then background app refresh. Turn it off or disable it for unnecessary apps. Step 5. Reset all settings. Now open settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then reset. Now tap reset all settings. This won't delete your data but can fix system lag, and that's how you can fix slow performance and system lag on iPhone. Also follow the steps, your iPhone should feel faster and run more smoothly. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.